Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. So as I told you, today we are going to start our last chapter, that is 7th one, metric measures. So what we are going to study from this chapter, students? Let's see. State the units of the measurements of length, weight and capacity in the metric system and the relations between the units, and convert from one unit to another higher or lower unit, add, subtract, multiply and divide the length, weight and capacity in the metric system, and solve the story sums and everyday problem. Okay, these many things we are going to study today from this chapter. So before that they had given recall exercise. So this recall exercise you have studied in grade 3 measurement chapter. So let's revise. What is the question A? Fill in the blanks. Now tell me, A1, 1 meter is equals to how much, students? Yes, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, 1 centimeter is equals to how many mm? We have studied in the scale, do you remember? While drawing the line segment and all? Yes, 5 mm we have seen in the middle. So how many mm are there in 1 centimeter? See, this is 1 centimeter. Between this how many mms are there? 10 mm. And 1 kilogram, see, cm stand for centimeter, mm stand for millimeter. Now 1 kilometer, km means kilometer. 1 kilometer is equals to how many meter? 1000 meter. M stand for meter. Now the next, 1 kg is equals to dash dash g. Kg stand for kilogram. 1 kilogram is equals to how many gram? 1000 gram. Now 1 L is equals to dash dash ml. L stand for liter. 1 liter is equals to dash dash milliliter. ml stands for milliliter. How many milliliter? 1000. Okay, clear? Yes. Now in second question, in which unit will you measure the following? Yes, the length of the pencil. Yes, see, this is the pencil. How you will measure, students? Yes, you do have scale, so you will measure and you will tell that how much centimeter the scale is, isn't it? So use scale into centimeter. Yes. What about weight of the pencil? Yes. How you will measure weight of the pencil? Yes, you will use and you will measure, isn't it? So we measure weight into, yes, tell me, kilogram, isn't it? Kg. Now the height of the tree, yes, see how much height it is. How you will measure? Yes, in meter, isn't it? And the next, now the distance between two cities. See how you will find out the distance between two cities? Yes, tell me, by kilometer. We say now from Pune or Mumbai, this much kilometer is there from Sholapur, in that way. Okay, the capacity of the bucket. What is capacity? See, bucket, what we fill with bucket? Water. See, water we measure into liters, isn't it? So we measure into liter. So remaining two you do by your own. Now the next 3 question. Put a tick on the closest measure. Your height. How you will measure the height? 125 mm or 125 centimeter? See, mm means very small, small, small. See, this much only, like 125 mm only your height will be? Yes? No. We measure our height into centimeter. Isn't it? Now your weight. How you will measure your weight? In gram or in kg? Yes? Kg. Gram is very less. Distance you can jog in 1 hour. How much distance you can jog in 1 hour? 6 kilometer or 6 meter? Yes? Kilometer. Because 1 hour we are walking now. The length of your feet, the length of your foot? Yes. How you will measure? In centimeter or meter? Yes. Tell me. Of course, in centimeter only. Now the next, amount of water in the bucket. Yes. Liter or milliliter? See, milliliter means very less. Liter. Bucket is very big. Capacity is more. So we measure into liter. Now, clear till here? This is recall of grade 3, whatever you have studied about measurement. Now we are going to study the new concept in this chapter, that is metric units. Apart from the units you have studied about, there are few more units. Now study the following table. Okay. Now measures of the length. Now what is length? Measurement of something from its one end to another end, it's called measurement. See, how you will measure? You will measure with the tape. See, I do have tape. How I measure? Yes, measurement of something from its one end to another end. For example, if I want to measure this blackboard length, okay, so what I'll do? I'll start from this end to till here. See, 47 centimeter. Okay, I can measure in this way also, or else I can measure from here to till here. This is what I am doing? I am measuring the length of blackboard, whiteboard. Are you getting? Yes. So now we have to study about this table. So 10 millimeters means mm is equals to 1 centimeter. The short form is cm. 10 centimeters is equals to 1 decimeter, that is dm. 10 decimeters is equals to 1 meter, that is m. 10 meters is equals to 1 decameter, that is dam. 10 decameters is equals to 1 hectometer, that is hm. 10 hectometers is equals to 1 kilometer, that is km. The next, measures of the mass. See, 10 milligram, that is mg, is equals to 1 centigram. 10 centigram is equals to 1 dekigram. 10 dekigram is equals to 1 gram. 10 grams is equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagram is equals to 1 hectogram, and 10 hectogram is equals to 1 kilogram. See how we measure the mass? Yes, into weight. Now see, here I am having the measurement. Okay, if I want to measure our canopy, see how much it is? See, can you see? It is near about 1 kg. Okay, this is measures of mass. Now the next, measures of capacity. Now what is measures of capacity, students? Yes, can you tell me how we measure? How we measure? Yes. Did you observe the bottles at home? Yes. You do have bottles, water bottles? Yes. Did you observe? See, they used to give the capacity of the bottle. See, can you see here? 1 liter. This bottle capacity is 1 liter. See, I do have another bottle. See, this bottle is smaller than compared to this bottle. And what is the capacity of this bottle? See, they had given 500 ml. This is 1 liter, this is 500 milliliter. Now even if you have fever, cough and cold, so you go to doctor and doctor gives you syrup, isn't it? How much syrup your mother gives you, and how much syrup you have to take? Doctor gives you prescription, na? And they will guide us that how much you have to take. See, they have measured on this. See, you can see here the measurements are given like 2.5 ml, 5 ml or 10 ml. So as per their instructions, your mother gives you syrup, isn't it? So this is what? Measurement. This is capacity. So this is called capacity. How we measure. So now we will study about capacity. 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. 1 centiliters. 10 centiliters is equals to 1 deciliters. 10 deciliters is equals to 1 liter. 10 liters is equals to 1 decaliter. And 10 decaliters is equals to 1 hectoliter. And 10 hectoliters is equals to 1 kiloliter. Clear till here? Now we'll move to the next. Next to the units within the bracket are the short form of the units. The following table shown the higher and the lower unit of the basic unit in the box. Now study them carefully. As you move up in the table, each unit is 10 times the previous unit, and as you move down to the table, each unit is 1/10 of the previous unit. Now observe this table. See, now if we are higher units to, if we go lower unit, we need to multiply, and if we are going lower unit to higher unit, we need to divide. Can you see the short form they are given? Lower units to higher units. So lower units in the measures of length start from millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter, then decameter, hectometer and kilometer. And the prefix of the next is what? We always divide when we change lower unit to higher unit, and we always multiply when we change higher unit to lower unit. Keep in your mind. Okay? And the measures of the mass start from milligram, then centigram, then decigram, then gram, then decagram, hectogram, kilogram. And measures of the liter is start from milliliter, from lower to higher. Milliliter, centiliter, deciliter and liter. Then decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Are you getting clear till here? Yes. Now they had given, we can place the different unit in the place value chart. See, thousands means kilo, hundreds means hecto, tens means deca, and ones means meter, gram and liter. And if we want to convert into deci, and it should be divided by 10, and if you want to, and that is 10, and 100 means centi, we have to divide with 100, and thousands means milli, we have to divide with 1000. Okay, now you will understand in better manner while solving the examples. Now here, see, if you want to convert kilogram to gram, what you will do? Multiplied by 1000, and gram into milligram, again you multiplied by 1000. But here, if you want to multiply, if you want to convert milligram to gram, what we have to do? We have to divide with 1000, and gram into kilogram means again divide with 1000. See, liter to milliliter, if you want to convert, you will multiply, and from lowest to highest you want to find out, Milliliter to liter, if you want to find out, you will divide with 1000. Now see here, kilometer. If you want to convert kilometer into meter, what we do? We multiply with 1000. And meter, if you want to convert into centimeter, we multiply with 100. And centimeter, if you want to convert into millimeter, you multiply with 10. And now the lowest unit, if you want to convert into highest unit, for example, millimeter, if you want to convert into centimeter, you have to divide by 10. And centimeter, if you want to divide into convert into meter, you need to divide with 100. And meter, if you want to convert into kilometer, you need to divide with 1000. Okay. Now see the next. See. Now you have to remember this. Just now we have studied. So when it starts from higher to lower, you have to multiply. Thousands to 100 if you want to convert, like kilometer to hectometer. So what you will do? Multiplied by 10. And hundreds to tens means hectometer to decameter if you want to convert, again multiplied by 10. And decameter to meter if you want to convert, again multiply by 10. Meter to decimeter, multiplied by 10. Decimeter to centimeter, multiplied by 10. Centimeter to millimeter, multiplied by 10. If suppose they asked you that meter to direct centimeter, what you will do? Here is 10, then 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. If you want to convert meter to millimeter, so what it is? Thousands. So directly if you want to convert meter into millimeter, you have to multiply it by thousands. Are you getting? If you want to convert meter to centimeter, what do you have to take? Multiplied by 100. And only meter to decimeter means tenth, means that is multiplied by 10. Are you getting? So remember this. The next one. Now, in the same way, the lowest unit, if you want to convert into highest unit, what you need to do? You need to divide. See, this is division symbol. Millimeter, if you want to convert into centimeter, you need to divide by 10. Okay. And centimeter, if you want to divide into decimeter, you need to divide by 10. Again, decimeter, if you want to convert into meter, again divide by 10. Meter to decameter, divide by 10. Decameter to hectometer, divide by 10. Hectometer to kilogram, divide by 10. If suppose they had given meter to decameter, so what you will do? Divide by 10. Directly meter to hectometer, hundreds. You have to divide by hundreds. And meter to direct kilometer, divide by thousands. The place value of kilometer is thousands. So remember this. This is very, very important. Understood? Clear? Now together I have taken. See, higher to lowest while going, go with multiply, and when you are coming lowest unit to highest unit, we have to do the division, and these are the place value of these units. Clear? Is that clear? See, for example, decameter you need to convert into decimeter. See, from here to here means lowest to highest. So where is decameter? Is here, and decimeter. So what you will do? Yes, multiplied by 10, isn't it? In the same way, if you want to convert meter into kilometer directly, so what is the place value? 1000. So you will multiply by, divide by thousands. Clear? Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will see conversion of metric units. The commonly used metric units are length, weight and capacity. Length we measure into meter, the short form is m. Centimeter means cm, millimeter means mm, kilometer means km. The next is weight is equals to gram. Gram means g, kilogram means kg. Capacity, liter is equals to L, milliliter is equals to ml. Keep in your mind. The conversion of the length, first we will see about length, then weight, then capacity. The conversion of length higher to lower unit. What do you have to do? Yes, see this, 1 centimeter is equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. Keep in your mind, to convert meter to centimeter, what you have to do? Multiplied by 100. Now see your example. Now convert 8 meter to the centimeter. So 8 meter is equals to what we have to do? Multiplied by 100. 8 multiplied by 100 means 0, 0. Write as it is. 8 ones are 8. 800 centimeter. The second example. The sitting room in my house is 5 meter and 25 centimeter long. How many centimeter is that? So 5 meter and 25 centimeter. To convert meter into centimeter, we multiply by 100. So 5 multiplied by 100. Centimeter already it is there, we are converting into centimeter. So write add centimeter into given meter. So write addition symbol and write 25 centimeter. Now this multiplication first, 2 zeros as it is. 5 ones are 5. 500 centimeter plus 25. When you add these two numbers, see 500 plus 25, 5 to 5. 525 centimeter. Got it? The next, higher to lower conversion. The next point. What is the next? If you want to convert centimeter into mm, millimeter, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter mm. So to convert from cm to mm, centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. We have seen millimeter in the scale, isn't it? Now we will see the examples. See, convert 7 centimeter to mm. So what we have to do? Multiply by 10. So write 7 cm. If we are converting into mm, so multiply by 10. So multiply 10, 7 tens are 70. The second example. I found a caterpillar that was 5 centimeter and 8 millimeter long. How many millimeter long it is? We have to measure in the millimeter only. So they had given 5 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So write 5 multiplied by 10. Why? Because to convert centimeter into millimeter, we have to multiply by 10. So we are doing same. So when we multiply with this both, 5 tens are 50 and 8 mm add in this. So we get 58 mm. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. Very good. The next. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So to convert from kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. See, multiplied by 1000. We have seen kilometer and meter, isn't it? Now we will solve the examples. See, convert 5 kilometer to meter. So if you want to convert kilometer to meter, what you have to do? Multiplied by 1000. So write 5 as it is. Kilometer conversion to meter means multiplied by 1000. So multiply 3 zeros, write as it is. 5 ones are 5. 5000 meter. Now second example. I can walk 2 kilometer 350 meter in 1 hour. How many meters can I walk in an hour? Okay. So how much he can walk in 1 hour? 2 kilometer and 350 meter. But here we have to convert kilometer into meter only. So to convert kilometer into meter, what we have to do? Multiplied by 1000. So we multiply here 2 multiplied by 1000 and already they had given into meter. So that we should not convert into anything. Just we have to add that number into whatever we convert into kilometer to meter. So we are converting 2 into meter. So we are multiplying 2 multiplied by 1000. 3 zeros, write as it is. 2 ones are 2. Add 350. So do the addition through 2000 plus 350, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 as it is 2350 meter. Got it? Clear till here? Yes? Understood, students? Yes, very good. Shall we revise once again? Conversion of length higher to lower units. First, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So, to convert from meter to centimeter, what we have to do? Multiply by 100. Keep in your mind. To convert from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. And the next, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So, to convert from centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. Keep in your mind. To convert centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. And the last one we have studied, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So, to convert from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. Keep in your mind. Multiply to convert kilometer to meter, multiply by 1000. So, first what you have to keep in your mind? 1 meter is equals to 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. And to convert centimeter, multiplied by, see how much? 100 centimeter, multiplied by 100 only, 10 mm, multiplied by 10 only, and 1000 meter means multiplied by 1000 only. So these three are very important. So you will understand what you have to multiply. Same number only we are multiplying. So these three numbers are very important. What it is? What are the important? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Don't be confused. 1 meter is equals to 10 mm means fully you will do the wrong. So keep in your mind properly. Already you have studied in grade 3 also. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Clear till here? Yes. Now what is your today's home assignment? Practice these sums in your rub book. Now we will meet in our next session with the new concept, conversion of length lower to highest. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.